KSTR-IMX93, the most connected single-board computer for IoT and industrial edge devices. Getting started is effortless. Connect via USB or Ethernet. Open VS Code Editor with our KSTR-IMX93 VS Code extension and write your code. No complex setup, just plug in and code. Once connected, the platform supports multiple communication protocols including Wi-Fi, LTE, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Thread, Matter, and more standard protocols. At its core, NXP-IMX93 SoC paired with 3 Nordic semiconductor chips, the NRF5340 for short-range wireless, the NRF9151 for cellular IoT and GNSS, and the NRF7002 for Wi-Fi 6. Each chip has a clear role, working together to provide a complete connectivity platform on a single board. Linux at the core, with Ubuntu, Yocto, Buildroot, and Zephyr RTOS. It gives developers a familiar environment, broad driver support, and a fast path from prototype to deployment. Industrial-grade security with NXP's EdgeLock Secure Enclave, hardware-rooted cryptography, secure boot, and trusted execution. NPU delivers up to 0.5 TOPS, powering anomaly detection, predictive maintenance, and edge AI vision. Low power efficiency on the KSTR-IMX93 goes beyond clock gating or idle states. The main IMX93 SoC can be completely powered down while a Nordic wireless module remains active. For instance, the LTE modem can maintain network presence and trigger a wake-up of the entire board when required. This design enables true always-on operation with minimal power draw, making it well-suited for battery-driven sensors, medical devices, and remote edge nodes. Production-ready design. Compact 110 by 55 millimeters, up to 128 gigabytes eMMC, and Raspberry Pi compatible GPIO, a platform you can take from lab prototype to field deployment without compromise. Support the campaign on Kickstarter and accelerate your professional IoT projects with KSTR-IMX93.